What are the major and minor head losses in a fluid flow system? The major head loss would be like head loss or pressure loss due to friction in pipes and ducts. Minor head losses can be the pressure loss or head loss due to components as such valves, bands, tees, and the like in the pipe or the duct system. The answer to this question would be major loss is known as the losses that occur in the pipes. Minor losses are head losses which occur due to bends and elbows, that is, the additional part of the straight pipe system. Name some of the flow meters. Flow measurement is the quantification of bulk fluid movement. Flow can be measured in a variety of ways. A flow meter is a device which is used to measure the volume or mass of a gas or liquid. The answer to this question would be some of the flow meters are orifice meter, venturi meter, rotameter, and nozzle. What is Reynolds number? The Reynolds number is the ratio of inertia forces to viscous forces. The Reynolds number is a dimensionless number used to categorize the fluid system, in which the effect of viscosity is important in controlling the velocities or the flow pattern of a fluid. The answer to this question would be Reynolds number is the ratio of viscous force to the inertia force. Reynolds number, which is denoted by R suffix E, is given by rho V d by mu, where rho is the density, V is the velocity, d is the diameter, and mu is the dynamic viscosity.